So hello everyone. So I made this clip search over video. So user would be prompted to enter a YouTube link, and the YouTube link from the YouTube link video would be downloaded, frames would be extracted, they would be converted to embedding and added to an index. Later on, whenever the user tries to query it, that means for example he wants to search rat in all the videos available in the index, then we will give frame timestamp at which moment and each video name. So in which video at which moment this particular query, that is for example rat, was there in any frame. So first we need to set up the project, which will download all the dependencies like torch, transformers, pinecone client. Pinecone is the vector database I am using currently. That's how it looks like. I just added a sample. After this, what we will do is connect our Google Drive to it. And why we need to do this? Because for storing the vectors, we are using Pinecone database. But for storing the video and the frames that we extract from the video, we need a storage device. So currently we are using Google Drive, but it could be anything else. For example, Amazon S3 bucket or any other storage we have. Later on, after that, we import CV2, NumPy, Pinecone, again Pinecone client. Here we are setting up the index to be used. So this index is called frame. So we are connecting here with that index. We can see that currently it has 5 vectors, which are like the sample one I added. Now we are importing clip. What is clip? Clip is the model we are using here to identify the objects in a frame. I need to import the model, the tokenizer and the processor. Now tokenizer and processor, we are giving the text and image as input to the clip model, but the clip model can't directly use them. So we need to provide a tokenizer to convert the text into an form that clip can consume, and processor would convert the images into a form that clip could consume. Now we have to like enter the namespace name for saving the video. So example, we are making this for animal videos, so let's call it animals. And for YouTube video link, let's first add this video. Okay, top 10 most intelligent animals. Let's add it. So here the link is saved. Now we download the video, convert it to frames, convert it to embedding, then add to Pinecone. So let's go in the details. The video is downloaded, the frame details are extracted, 29.97 fps, 2067 frames. Now we are not going to extract each and every frame, we are going to extract every third frame. So example, for this number, 223 frames would be there in the total video, and the length of video is 11 minutes. Now we can obviously like make it more, skip more frames. Right now it's skipping frames every 3 seconds, taking frames every 3 seconds. We can do similar. I can show the Clippy right now. So in Clippy is a folder I created for this project. So top 10 most intelligent animal, this video is downloaded, and so in the output section a new folder is created with the video name, and here as we can see frames are adding up, for each third second of the video. So now the loading is completed. We have downloaded the 223, like extracted 223 frames from the video. We are then reading those frames back. So list of images now contains the frames. Now we convert each frame to an embedding. So here we will now convert each frame to an embedding. Then we combine it with metadata, and then when we upload it to our vector database. Let's see if it's added. Now you can see animals 223. So what we got here, the video converted to frames and frame to embeddings, and now embeddings are present in 23 embeddings are here, number of vectors. Now let's talk about the query. So we can enter a prompt. Okay, so let's just type rats or just rats. So this is the embedding generated, and now just convert into a NumPy. Now we are going to search rats in this video. I don't know if it has rats. yeah, it has a rat section here, right? So it should give us some frames which are similar to rats. So now the text embedding is converted. Now which we will fetch 10 results. So we have a rats embedding, and then we have the embeddings in our system from the images from this video. Now we will fetch 10 results. So let's run this query. It has fetched the results. It's just a pinecone query, and now we will print them. So we can print the top 10 matches. So here are the top 10 matches. Let's Yeah, it's a pretty good way. It has given us video name, and then it has given us the timestamp also. This will give us detailed, like this is the whole thing that's stored in pinecone, so we can get that, and we can get video name and timestamp only. So this will give us the unique name. So for example, if we want to see all the videos that has, so currently there is only one video added, that's why the top 10 most intelligent animals, it will give us only one video and a timestamp 10:48. So let's see, like for example, this video title has rats at this moment. Let's see, 10:48. Let's go 10:48. Okay. Okay, obviously we have our rat here. Then another one is 5. At 5 we have a rat here. Then another one at 5:18. Like this one 5:19. Yes, similar. Then you can go on and on. For example, 5:9 we have another one here, a rat. So that's how you can get all the images that matches. Now here, for example, we can just for example, if we have to give user all the video names only, so we can just give this top 10 most intelligent animals, and this is a timestamp. I've saved this into one id, and later we can extract it. We can add another video also. Let's try to add another video. Let's do this again. Let's add another video. So we have to animals, right? Animals, we named it animals. Okay, and we have to enter YouTube link. So let's take another video of rats, top 20 video, and let's enter. It's saved. Now we are going to download video, convert to, again same thing, try add it to it. Now we are going to search again, right? So let's search again for rats. Okay, just remove it, okay. Now we are gonna fetch results again. We are going to fetch 10 results again. Yeah, now we are going to print them. So let's print the 10 matches. Let's see what we get. So now the results are mixed. In the first answer we only had top 10 most intelligent animals. Now the second video, top 21 also is present. So this one we have seen already, 10:48. Now let's see this one. In this video, at what, at 6:39, 6:34, 6:39. Yeah, approximate this. There's rats. Then in top 20, 6:42. In 6:42 we have rats. Yeah. So we can get a detailed answer also. For example, this is giving us detailed answer. And so if we only wanted to give the user the videos in which rats exist, so we will give two answers, top 10 most intelligent animal, not top 20. Now at 10:48 in the first video, 10:48 here, and 6:39 on the second video. So 6:39, something like here, there it's a rat. Liberated the cave. So yeah, that's how it works. We can also, for example, print 3 frames from each video, and this is just a code to delete the namespace. For example, we have named it animals. We can delete it again. So that's the code for it. It's commented, but you can, like, this and just delete it. Let's do this. Animals. So index info, only sample is remaining, so it deleted the animals one.